Okay, unfair Mario. Let me do this. Let me do this. Come on, I beat the first level. That was good shot. Oh my gosh. I'd be so hard. Get out! Done! Why so hard? Why can't I just skip a level? Maybe there would be money. Oh, dang. That would... Yeah, just wrong. What? What? Oh my gosh! No, why? Why this hard? I am not good at this. Oh my god. Can't remember this thing there so I can see, okay? Oh, dang it! Oh. How do people get past these levels? I mean, I don't get it. Oops. Oh. Ugh. Dang it. Why did I even fall? Oh, I keep forgetting that. Been playing this for a while. From the same level for a while. And then I finally got to this level. Oh! Please don't do this. Oh no. Why? I was so close. Why did they do this to me? Okay, I need to remember that. I keep forgetting stuff. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep doing this? Oh. Okay. That. Jump. There. Don't terminate. Then go do this. Oh, got that. Okay, go this, that, ugh, this, there, don't touch that, there, Okay, do this, got to do this, come on, oh, come on, dang it, okay, now I'm getting skip this. Okay, oh! Oh, come on, what the heck? Okay, no, wait, no, I will not post video. Net. Okay. I got 99 deaths. Oh, this one's gonna be 100. So yeah. I just downloaded 100 deaths. There we go. Now this is gonna be 101. There we go. There, I'm forgetting stuff. Oh god. Oh, and guys. Okay. Okay, whatever. I got this on heck is? Oops, no, wait. Oh, I'm on channel. Okay, okay. Computer's turning slow now. Oh my god, like, talk, starting my video. Guys, okay, hold on. What the? Okay, well, my mouse wasn't it? You copied off of somebody, you can go in jail. Oh, I almost saw your mouse. Look at me. So yeah. Thank you. No. I love you, thank you. Yeah, so so